Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Takis Kettlez Fuego. So this is one of the most popular flavors of rolled up tortilla chips, and I now have it in kettle cooked potato chips, so that's pretty cool. It's new. And it's hot chili pepper and lime flavored, like the original Fuego. Face the intensity, legendary Takis Fuego, now available in kettle cooked potato chips. I also had the jalapeno one, so it's pretty decent, but I didn't find them to be that spicy. And in 250 chips, or 25 chips, there's 250 calories, 13 grams of fat, 29 grams of carbohydrate with 3 fiber, 1 sugar, and 4 grams of protein. Number 1 ingredients is potatoes, vegetable oil, seasoning, citric acid, potassium chloride, salt. So, not too bad. It's pretty good. Product of Mexico, imported by Vachon Bakery. That's cool. I didn't know that they worked with them. So, it's got a little jalapeno pepper there, a chili pepper, and a lime. So I think it's red hot chili peppers. Let's get right into it. Ooh, and the chips are red like they are on the bag there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, chili pepper. They're tangy from the lime, and I got a little bit of a kick to them. I don't find these to be that spicy, but they're tangy. Yeah, so they got like a lemony, limey flavor to them. Very similar to the other Takis. Fuego flavored Takis, I should say. It has that like citrusy taste to it. And a little bit of flame, like a flamey hot flavor in your mouth. But I don't find these to be that spicy at all. Like, there's a little bit of it to it, but it's not too bad. And the lime kind of overtakes that. These remind me of the chili lime Quest protein chips. Very similar. But I think those ones might be a little spicier than this. I'm not finding this to be that spicy. Well, 2 more chips and I'll give my final review. Yeah, so facing the intensity of the legendary Takis Fuego, I don't find these to be that spicy. There's a little bit of a kick to them, but nothing crazy. Like, it's tolerable. And I find the lime kind of gets rid of that spiciness too, in a sense. So, I'll give the Takis Kettlez Fuego, on a scale of 1 to 10 spicy, they're like maybe a 3, but overall, I give them an 8 out of 10. These do taste good. They're cool. They're like red potato chips. Got a little bit of flavor to them. Not that spicy. Not crazy spicy. There's a little bit of spiciness to them, but yeah. I like them. They're pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next video.